Hi, Dr. Dillis here. I'm creating this video to show you how to install the appropriate Dreamweaver software version of on your computer. So once you acquire the software platform, which is the Adobe Creative Cloud, you will notice that this includes several apps, several software programs that do various things. Some of you have already used Creative Cloud before in other courses, and you perhaps have used already Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, and so they will already be listed under the installed apps on your computer when you open Creative Cloud. Alright, if not, then you would have to scroll down, look for what's available in your plan, and you should find Dreamweaver here, and then click on other versions and install the appropriate one. I already have installed my Dreamweaver, so it's here under the installed apps, but to check and make sure that I'm using the appropriate version, I just go in and take a look. And so the appropriate version is the latest one. It's 21.3. This is the one we will be using. And when you attempt to install, if it's not this, if it's not 21.3, you just have to go to it and click install. And when you're clicking install, it will prompt you to remove the other versions, okay? And I recommend that you remove other versions just because they take a lot of space on your computer and you don't want to slow down your performance. All right, your computer might slow down if it has a lot of data loaded on it. So just remove the older versions and make sure you update to 21.3. Okay, mine it's already updated, and so I am going to use this. I just have to open it up, and here it is, my first look at the Dreamweaver web design platform. Don't get intimidated. We will learn a lot in this class. You may have to learn a little bit of code, but it's not a lot, so it's very simple and it's sufficient for you to create your own website by the end we finish this course. All right, if you have any questions, just reach out. I'm available to answer any questions you might have. See you in class.